Today is July 2nd, 2021, and this morning there was such strong winds and loud rain that I couldn't sleep. I was hearing sirens and the wind was shaking the windows. If this is a Category 1 hurricane, I do not want to live through one that's stronger. I couldn't believe how much the trees were moving. I couldn't even open my front door properly because the wind was so strong it was pushing it back in onto me. I had never seen weather like this in Barbados before. So much rain and such strong winds. I kept hearing plants falling, and anytime I peeped outside I saw more plants on the floor, but the rain was too hard for me to go outside and deal with them. When things ease up, I will go out and take a look at what really happened. Electricity got cut off around 9 a.m. and did not return until about 7 p.m. So we spent the day just listening to this rain and looking outside to see what was happening. My plants have been through so much recently. We had volcanic ash from a volcano that erupted on an island close to us. Now we have all of this rain that has just been beaten down on these plants. It's been extremely hot as well. So they've been experiencing very extreme conditions. I am really curious to see how many of them will survive. I lost some since the volcano, and when I get a chance to see what happened today, I will see what else went wrong. I have been very impressed though about how many of these plants survived and are still flourishing. Some of them, they took a while to start back growing and looking healthy and luscious, but these plants want to live and they're very resilient. I have included pictures from around Barbados and how this hurricane has affected the island, which is coming up next. Final check-in before I end this vlog. It's now 10 past 9 p.m. and electricity has gone again. It's drizzling slightly, but there's no more wind and things have definitely eased up.